Welcome to Flock, where we're all flocking together to Blue Sky. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Instagram.com. We have a URL in our help page that'll take you to this request download information center. You'll hit continue. It'll bring you to a more global meta export page. You're going to click export. I'm just going to select my Instagram account here. I'm going to export it to my device. Soon we'll be able to support Google Drive exports that Instagram supports and Dropbox, etc. But this is our first beta version, or alpha even. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a JSON format. So that way, that makes it so our app can process it in a nice clean way. I'm going to get all time. So I want everything because I'm migrating off of Meta and moving on to the distributed web. And I want high quality because I want to be able to upload the best that I can. So that's how I do this. Please excuse my personal email and everything. One day we'll have a test account. But this is the general gist. I'm going to start the export, and then I will put in my password. And ta-da! It has been requested. They'll send me an email where I can download a zip file. And that's it.